Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to make lavender essential oil body spray. This is a professional formula. This is not a crappy DIY formula that you see all over the net. Because we're a professional formulator, this channel is for professional formulator or those who want to improve their professional formulation skill. We don't do DIY here. That's why we follow the appropriate formula. So if you want to improve your formulation skill, do well by clicking the subscribe button below and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Hello and welcome to the channel. So today let's make our own professional lavender essential oil body spray. As you all know, lavender is a calming essential oil. It's very good for the body. It's also good for the spray for the face. So if you want to use it as a spray, here is what you do. First, you're going to take your scale. We are going to measure 1 gram or 1% of your essential oil. If you need the smaller scale of this type, look in the description box below for a link to get it. This is what you need, especially when you're making test formulation. So 1% of your, and then you're going to take 1% of your solubilizer of choice. So today I will be using Tegosolve solubilizer, very good solubilizer for making body spray or ear spray. So we're going to use the solubilizer 1% also to solubilize our essential oil. Then the next thing you do is to mix it together with your essential oil. So after thorough mixing, the next thing you're going to do is to add, if you're using a preservative that is, not water soluble, you might as well add the preservative at this stage. But if your preservative is water soluble, like I'm using liquid Jama Plus, you have no problem whatsoever. But you can also had it, but it's better we had it at the water phase. But hey, let's just say we are using a preservative that is not water soluble, so just add it at 0.5%. so I'm using liquid Jama Plus, which I will use at 0.5%. I did that a little too much, that's okay. Then you mix it thoroughly as usual. Then you add your water phase. In this case I will use 97.5% of water. Don't worry if your solution is cloudy, no problem whatsoever. Tegosolve is going to come back to its sense like we usually say in 24 hours. So in 24 hours everything is going to come back together. It's going to give you a clear mixture. So 97.5 distilled water, and that's it. This is not like a polysorbate 20 that's going to stay cloudy forever. This is a biodegradable solubilizer that will do what it has to do and come back to normal in 24 hours. And this smells really amazing. I'm using Lavender 4042, a very good lavender essential oil. So you pour into your spray bottle. It's important that you use a spray bottle in this situation. Don't worry about the cloudy mess, no problem. Give it 24 hours. In 24 hours you're going to see a clear mixture of this type. Okay, that's what you're going to get in 24 hours. So, and that's about it. All you have to do is just for you to use it, you don't have to wait for 24 hours. It's okay, it's good to use. You can spray it all over the body, no problem whatsoever. It smells really amazing. Lavender 4042 is a very good essential oil for the body and also for the face. So that's about it. If you have any question about using essential oils to make your own body spray, feel free to drop in the comment box below. To learn more about skincare formulation or start your own skincare brand, visit naturalskincareschool.com. On the website we have a lot of professional formulas, not the DIY formulas that you see all over the internet. These are professional grade formulas that you can use to make a product to sell, and that's why our Natural Skincare School stands out. We learn skincare formulation one product at a time using professional, stable, proven formula. So head to naturalskincareschool.com and join the our growing membership premium section of the site, and enjoy a formula that no other formulator may have access to. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, click the subscribe button and the notification icon so as to be the first to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching.